Guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about 8 useful design tools you need to know. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. So here we have our 8 websites that we're going to discuss one by one. First website is UI Gradients. This websites help you to get the free gradients for your website or anything. So let me just go and check out all the gradients. Like we have many things like this. Let's see that I want to go to something called Flare. So let's say you like this and you want this on your website or anywhere you want to design. One thing you can do is you can just use this codes, hex codes, or else. So these codes you can use it on your Google Sites or Canva for the colors, or else you can even download it over here with the .jpg, and you can just use it as a background. So let's get to the next website, that is smartmockups.com. Here you can create all the stunning product mockups and like easily in the online. So all you need to do is you can just go and you can search for the mockups, that can be t-shirt mockups, smartphone mockups, or anything, let's say for your promotion. So let me just check for something like magazine, and like let's scroll down and check for the free ones, and here we go with the free ones. Let's say that I choose this. So once we choose this, all we need to do is, here we can find these dimensions. So you can just go to the Canva and you can insert these dimensions and create a Canva on it, and you can just upload, you can connect these two accounts and you can make it. So if you want a detailed video on how you can do this, you can just drop a comment so we can do it. And then comes the next website, that is colors.co. So here you can just find many color palettes. So we can just click on the start generator, or you can just click on trending palettes that you can see. Here we have different palettes, so you can just click on the space bar to change all these palettes. And you can even, once you, let's say that you found this one very well for your website, you can do one thing, you can just click on this copy hex code and you can just paste it on your Google Sites or Canva. And in the similar fashion you can just do with all the color palettes. So by using that you can just create your own themes for the Google Sites and all. Next comes the other website called as wordmark.it. This website is pretty useful for you if you don't want to waste any time on Photoshop looking for the best font for your name, business name, let's say. So let's say that we have some business called as Shopee, something like this. So once you can just click on the enter, you can just see that how it looks in different fonts. So you can see how it looks in this Candera, or else we have something like italic, bold. So these all things, in this all things you can just see how your text is looking like, and instead of just trying everything on the Photoshop, you can just go for this website, check it out, and if you feel like this particular font is suiting you, you can just directly go for it. So the next website comes to be the fonts in use. This can be a better website if you want to inspire from some other fonts and all. So here you can see you have this font is looking for this particular thing, or else let's say that it is for ITC Ronda. So what is the this is the font name. So this kind of fonts, like you can see the fonts of different things, like here we have something like Levis Fresh. So for this, what is the font and all. So by this you can just look at this and get some ideas for your own. And next comes out to be this flaticon.com, so where you can download all these icons. So here you can find some of those icons which you can use for your YouTube thumbnails and all. So this one you can just use it, and you can also go for the premium to get all this premium features of this flat icon and all. So next comes this undraw.co, so which provides us with different illustrations like for different things. So you can even change this colors by using this whatever color you want. Let's say that I want orange, so I can just use it something like this, any shade of orange. And in this way, so once let's say that you want to download this, you can just click on it and click on download SVG for your project. So, and also you can even download as a PNG for your blog or social. So in this way you can do it. And the next website is that gofullpage.com. So if you want to take a screenshot of complete entire website, this is the entire website. I don't want to take individually one at a time, this one at a time screenshot, and again this one at a time. I want to take entire website screenshot. In such cases you can just install this browser extension called as go full page. So it can be it shows you icon like this on your on your browser. So once you click on this icon, entire website will be taken a screenshot of. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and let me know which of these websites is more interesting for you in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.